Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account integrity. Log into the correct Facebook profile and immediately open Settings right arrow Security and log in to scan recent devices. Once done, review active sessions and end any unfamiliar ones. Next, go to Settings right arrow Apps and Websites and remove any third-party apps that request friend list or posting permissions. Those are common culprits. Do this now to stop automated actions while we proceed to deeper cleanup and permissions reset in the next step. You now revoke suspicious access and lock the account down. Change your password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication, using an authenticator app if possible. Then, remove any app that has access to manage friends, posts, or messages. After that, audit recent activity and notifications. Restore any friends you didn't intend to remove by sending a refriend request or using mutual friends. Make sure to log out other devices again and monitor for repeat removals before moving to the final. You finish with a complete cleanup and ongoing monitoring. Run a full malware and adware scan on all devices that accessed Facebook, because local infections often trigger auto actions. If you still see mass unfriending, use Facebook's Help Center to report a compromised account. Choose the option that says someone else is using my account and follow recovery steps. Finally, tighten privacy. Limit friend list visibility and app permissions, and check back daily for a week to confirm the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.